The Prophet warned us about this, and it's happening now. Over 1400 years ago, the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said something that sounded impossible. He said a time would come when barefoot shepherds would compete to build the tallest buildings. Think about that for a second. How could someone living in the middle of the desert know that? Now look around. Some of the tallest buildings on earth stand exactly where those deserts are. So, what was the Prophet really warning us about? Many people see this hadith and only think about skyscrapers, but the buildings aren't the main message. Our hearts are. The Prophet wasn't telling us to admire these towers. He was warning us about what they represent: competition, pride, status. A world where people race to be bigger, richer, and more famous, while forgetting the one who gave them everything. Today we celebrate what reaches the sky, but how often do we think about what we're sending ahead to the hereafter? So ask yourself this: what are you really building? A name that people will forget, or deeds that Allah will never forget? Don't spend your whole life building your dunya while your Akhirah is left unfinished. May Allah make us among those who prepare for the hereafter before it's too late. Ameen.
يا نفس إن لم تظفري لا تجزعي